What's going on, everybody? Soliaker here, and these are the body cams from when I was with News Now Omaha. And yeah, it took me about 2 months to get them. There's a lot of it, and you're going to see a lot of these videos. I'm only going to include some of the stuff that you do not see. It's not going to be, you'll hear parts of the video, but for the most part, you're going to hear just what they're talking about in kind of off the scenes type stuff. Things that aren't in the normal video, you're going to see a lot of stuff that I just didn't catch on my camera. So don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button. Stay tuned. I've got a live stream happening on Sunday, and I will be giving huge updates and a lot of stuff to talk about. So stay tuned for Sunday. It should be around, I'd say, 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So just stay tuned, and I'm out. Let's get into it. Soliaker, deuces.
Miami-Dade County Police and Fire, what's the address of your emergency?
Hey, hi. I'm at the park at the North Bay Shore, William Lemon Park, and I have this guy. He's walking with the R-15 and the Glock.
Okay, he's doing what with the dog?
He's walking with the R-15 on the street.
Okay, one moment. Don't hang up, okay? Miami-Dade County Police and Fire, how may I help you?
Hey, hi. I'm at the North Bay Shore, William Lemon Park, and I have this guy. He's walking with the R-15 and the Glock.
Where in, what park is it? Like, what street and avenue are you by?
Is the North Bay Shore, William. Is 1220 North Bay Shore Drive.
This is, okay.
North Miami. He's at the park.
This is North Bay Shore, William Lehman Park?
Yes. And I have kids, and this guy walking with...
Is he black, white, or Hispanic?
No, he's a black guy.
What color shirt and pants does he have on?
He has like the United States flag on the shirt.
And what color pants? What color pants?
He has the jeans.
And you said that
they're
he...
gonna see. Yeah, if the cops come here, they're gonna see the guy walk with the R-15.
Okay, but where is he in the park right now?
Oh, he's on the dock where the guy's fishing, the fishing pier.
But is he threatening anybody or anything like that? Or is he just walking around with it?
No, he just he have another guy with him. He's the black. He has the red shirt.
Is the other person armed as well?
No, only the two, but I have other people. The people fishing here, and I have kids.
No, I'm talking about the people that have the guns right now. I don't about other people in the area. No, I need to know about. He's the only one, but he's walking with someone else, right? But he's the only one with the gun.
Correct.
Okay. Do you want to leave your name and number, sir? You want to remain anonymous?
No.
All right, no worries. I'll go ahead and get someone out in the area. Okay. Thank you for calling.
All right. Bye-bye.
I'm a rival on that 55. I'll be blocking traffic on North Bay Shore and Northeast 123 Street. It's closed right now. It's closed right now. It's closed right now. There's a reason for all this going on, okay? You can't go over the exchanges right now. So you're going to have to go around, okay? Be careful.
Negative, hear you.
Bring your car. I don't want nobody to hit you in the back.
Right now, that guy was chasing after. He was chasing after her. I wasn't sure if he had something going on.
Oh.
I wasn't sure if he had something going on, but he was chasing after the commander. He was like up to the commander's butt, like.
Really?
Yeah. How you gonna try to go around somewhere?
Oh. Where is this guy at? Have you been in there yet? I'm gonna block the car so nobody else goes through there.
Copy, 341, the dialysis, 16600 Northwest 13 Avenue. 60-year-old male vomiting.
I think to call the cops.
Of course.
Because the guy's coming.
I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. You're fine. You did nothing wrong. You're fine.
Yeah, because I called. She said you're gonna give her a name. No, with anonymous because I don't know. What the fuck you coming with R15 in the clock?
No, you're right. You're right. No, they're checking everything out. Just make sure you're calling.
Line 341.
We're working on that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
1275 Northeast 136 Terrace. 65-year-old
Did they get
female there. Can't
your?
wake
They
up.
already spoke to you right up there.
No, because I don't want to see him.
Okay. No, I'm saying, did anybody already talk to you yet or no? No.
Just on it.
My dream would be a cop. I'm gonna tell the truth, you know.
Of course.
I'm gonna see the guy coming with the,
of course.
with the kids because she have the one over there, and then she got the kids and the run.
Okay. Do you have your ID with you?
I don't have my ID because they stole my car the last week.
Okay. Let me write down your info. No. It's blocked. It's blocked.
9167 arrival. 56.
Your name, sir?
Felipe.
With a P and F? You're right.
My picture of my document. They have to picture my too. Because they stole everything.
Okay.
March 31.
Please try 4019.
I live on the 1655
Please try 40.
Northeast. 115.
700 block of East Bay Harbor Drive. He's going to be on
Apartment
green
27.
Toyota. Green Nissan. I apologize.
You have phone number?
Engine or order tag.
Okay.
Just on 1997 Honda Bronco East Bay Harbor Drive. 1973.
You saw when? Did you see when you walked in, or you just saw
I passed through
when you saw?
Reference the subject Taylor, 40 under, all Ontario. Yes, well, thank you.
If you could sit tight for a little bit, in case somebody needs to see you, but if not, I'll have your information.
Okay.
If you could hold off a few minutes,
Okay, sure.
that way if anybody needs to talk to you, you're here, okay?
Alright.
Thank you, I appreciate it, sir.
They're gonna see me and do something, you know?
No, that's why if you want, you can hang out over here, or hang out, you know what, so it looks like you're regular, just hang out here in the corner, just don't leave until you tell me.
Alright.
Hang out right there in the building.
Is it regular monkey?
Huh? I don't know who this, Michael Turner or something like that, is that?
Michael the Black Man?
No.
Oh.
It looks like they're walking out now. I don't know who it was. I was on that 17 helping with the equipment with Prace. And then I was like on my way to do the school zone, and then I heard all this going on, so I looped back around. And I figured, and I saw 8 units here already, so I said, if anything, let me block so nobody else drives in, because I don't know what the hell is going on.
Yeah.
You know, just find work.
Exactly.
I don't know how serious it was. They say, and then they confirmed, Abraham got on the air and confirmed it was a rifle and a handgun.
Because there is no water over here.
What? Look at these people, man. Yo! It's blocked, ma'am. For your own safety. That's why all this is going on over here and all these lights. For your own safety, okay? I'll help you back out.
Surfside 41.
Yeah?
I'm on 29 Street and 5 Avenue.